Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me getting ready for my first day of class. I say it with quotes because this is my last semester of college. Woo. And I'm taking only online classes this semester. So while it is my first day of class, I'm not actually going to go to class, if that makes sense. But I still thought it would be fun, and I do work on campus, so I'm still going to campus. I'm just not taking classes on campus. I don't know. But anyways, so I'm wearing an ASU shirt. So we're gonna take a dive into this makeup bag. It has my monogram on it. My mom got this for me when I was in high school, I think. Holy shit, I'm going to graduate college in literally 4 months. It's like an existential crisis waiting to happen, truly. So the first step is going to be putting on a primer, and today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, you know, the basic primer that a million people have used. I'm also using the viewfinder as a mirror right now. So yeah, I'm just kind of focusing this on the nose, and then I will put it on my chin and a little bit on my forehead as well, because those are where my pores / wrinkles reside. I'm also filming another video right after this, oh my god, videoception, of like how to stay organized in college, how to get good grades in college, how to be productive, that kind of concept. Because I feel like, you know, with my almost 3.5 years of college experience, doing pretty well in school, taking hella hours, which is why I'm graduating early, is because I've taken so many like extra credit hours throughout the million semesters. I'm exaggerating. I'm being very dramatic right now. I think foundation. Okay, so this foundation is like definitely the wrong color for me. Oh wait, actually it doesn't look bad in the viewfinder. I still think it's the wrong color, but whatever. So yeah, for foundation I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color 01 Creamy Vanilla. Where's my brush? Where is that brush? Okay, I can't find the brush that I normally use, so I will just use a beauty blender. I'm also going to use a palette. I'm gonna use, oh god, there's bobby pins everywhere. I'm also gonna use the Tarteist Pro Glow To Go Palettes Mirror right now, so I can actually see what I'm doing. You know, it's kind of important. You see what I mean? Like, does that look a little orange? In person, it looks really orange. On camera, it doesn't actually look that bad. So I've noticed that like the Milani, these foundations are a little bit more orange. They do oxidize, like, for sure. Also, what should I do with my hair? I'm like really in the mood to do something to it. If you've been on my channel for a few months, wait. Okay, yeah, a few months. I think I cut my hair in April. I cut all of my hair off. Probably like close to like 6 or 7 inches, I swear, in my boyfriend's bathroom. It was before we lived together, because I was bored. Don't get me wrong, like my hair was kind of dead, but it wasn't that dead to where I needed to like cut off that much. I was just so bored, and truly I didn't do the best job. I'll admit it. I'll be the first to say, like, Brad Mondo, if he had seen that, as if I have enough followers for him to see that, but let's be real, if he had seen that, he would have been like, hairstylist reacts to haircut gone wrong. I don't know, something not good. He would have made fun of it. He would have been like, oh my god, I can't believe she did that. Especially on my bangs. I honestly, like, in the freaking editing of that video, I cut out the part where I cut my bangs because it was so cringy. Like, I did not use my brain. So like basically I didn't even like measure out a section or like anything. I was just like, oh, this is kind of where my bangs are, let's just do a chop. Whatever. It was terrible. And they're still like weird. Like now that it's grown out, honestly, it's not that bad. I just need layers put back in because I didn't really think about doing layers when I cut it, and I have naturally like thick curly hair, wavy curly, but it's textured, you know, it's not just like straight hair or anything like that. It definitely has some personality when I leave it natural, so that just doesn't look good with having a blunt haircut, so I need to do something to that. And I haven't decided if I want to keep it brown or do a little bit of a blonde. I go back and forth like constantly between various shades of brown and blonde, and right now I'm in a weird, like, I had balayage and then I got really bored of it, and so I dyed my hair brown on top of it, but it was a demi-permanent, so now it's like faded, so now I have like kind of balayage again, but like not blonde balayage, it's like caramel balayage. Comment down below if you say caramel or caramel. I say both, just like whatever one comes out. So I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape on my under eyes. What is this color? Let's find out. In Light Sand, which honestly I don't even know if that's the right. No, I need the mirror. The viewfinder is like so far away, low key. I don't even know if this is the right shade. Like the shade matching is just not. I'm not good at it, people. I'm sorry. I'm also doing this makeup on my white comforter. Like, I'm so smart. But yes, I'm just gonna beauty blend that into my skin. I'm also gonna put this on my eyelids. Also, if you can hear that, my cat is playing with a toy literally right underneath the camera. I love that it's like my first day back to college makeup, and I'm literally going to Target after this. But it's fitting. I'm gonna go pick up some Sprite. My boyfriend Josh, for those that are new, he was like, oh yeah, can you pick up some Tito's, LaCroix, and lime juice? And I was like, what, why? He's like, I want a Moscow Mule. I was like, okay, weirdo. Honestly, that base looks pretty good so far. Not even gonna lie. I'm happy with it. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting those products back in there. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so here's where I always, oh my god, I didn't grab my bronzer. Be back. Camera, me, hi, hello. Anyway, so this is the part that I'm always like, it kind of looks okay. Like, I've never been like good at doing bronzer or contour. It's always just like, I put it on the areas that I know it's supposed to go, and I hope for the best, you know? Like, that's all I do every time. Oh, you know what else I forgot? Freaking powder. Oh my god, I am a mess today, truly. So normally I would bake, but I guess I'm not doing that today. Is my bronzer even? No. My cat is looking at the camera like I want to attack it. You need to stop. I swear to God. Hello, up close and personal angle. I hope that you don't. That's not blended very well. Ah! Okay, we're back from attempting to blend that contour. Like, literally that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm sorry if it offends you. It offends me too. But anyway, back to the face. We are going to contour my nose. Hopefully that goes better than the face did. We'll see. Same contour slash bronzer, whatever. I'm using the Morphe E22 brush, which is literally like an eyeshadow blending brush, but it's fine. Ignore the dry skin on my nose if you can see it. I know it's there. I can't make it go away. What are we doing next? Okay, so I'm gonna put on some blush. Okay, I kind of just put a little bit all over because it's so like subtle that I can. Okay, next we're gonna go in with highlight in the same thing as this. We're gonna go for Gleam. As you can see, she's been used quite a bit more than the other one. I don't know why, I just like it better. We're booping the nose. And I also do like a little above the eyebrows, like just right here. Because I like, I don't know, I like natural makeup. Okay, what else are we doing? I'm also going to put it on my inner corner with this tiny brush from e.l.f. It doesn't have a name. I think it might be a lip brush, not gonna lie. But you do you, girl. You gotta do what you got to do, bro. I'm gonna take a selfie after this because I feel like my makeup is gonna be so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows now. I don't know why. I know a lot of people, they do their brows before they do foundation, but for me, that just doesn't really work. Like, I don't think I do enough to my brows for that to be something that makes sense. I also don't do enough eyeshadow to like have to worry about like fallout or anything, which is another reason people do their foundation first. It's not a thing for me. So anyways, I'm using the ABH Brow Wiz in taupe. I don't really do much on the front. Like, truly, I don't. I kind of focus it on the arch and the tail. Just enough to make them look a little bit more like freshly done. So like this is the before and after. Like I don't do that much to them. Also, if you guys are interested, I got lash extensions. I don't have them anymore. I had them for 6 days before I took them all out because it was not fun. So if you want a video about my experience with them, let me know because I would be happy to film it, potentially warn others of how not fun they are, but whatever, it's fine. Did I lose natural lashes? Oh hell yeah I did. It's fine, we're just dying inside a little bit, you know. Those are the brows. Woo! So we're gonna use the Naked Basics palette, just the black shade in there, Crave, and we're gonna use this brush from Morphe AB45. Gonna wet it. Sorry. And then I'm going to do like winged liner because that is what I like to do instead of using a liquid or a gel. That way if I mess up I can fix it easier, and also it can come off at the end of the day. What am I gonna do? So now we're gonna do lashes. I'm gonna do the Lash Paradise. It's not my favorite mascara. It's fine. It's just life, right? I'm just putting it on because you'll see my lashes don't exist anymore. It's fine. They're trying their best. So yes, the finishing touches. I'm gonna go back over my forehead because I have forehead wrinkles and I want to blend them out. Probably good enough. Then I'm going to set my face with the all-nighter, my little baby one. And then the last thing I'm going to do is put on a little bit of the lip gloss. Sometimes I do lipstick, but I usually don't. So this is the Burt's Bees Lip Shine in Blush. It's just pink. So we're gonna put that on my lips. It smells like grapefruit. So yeah, this is my finished makeup look. This is kind of my everyday makeup. Like anytime that I'm going to put a lot of effort into my face, this is what I do. I would say on average though, like a day-to-day, I would probably wear like just the brows and like mascara, and that's like basically it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my last first day of college makeup look. yeah, so leave any more video requests down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to Target now instead of class because online class. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also follow me on my social medias that are linked. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later.